Think guessing meat temperature yields perfectly cooked meals? Think again. I'm a culinary tech consultant focused on precision cooking appliances. Home cooks rely on timers and touch, which cause overcooking. Tyfer sink oven changes that. Built-in wireless probe stops overcooking. It's the world's first oven with an integrated wireless meat probe. No wires, no pairing, no guessing. True hands-free precision cooking. Probe tracks core temperature in real time, avoiding subjective estimates. NIST-verified 5-sensor probe delivers plus 0.5 degrees F accuracy, so see. 4. Consistent doneness. Smart remove. Temp auto shutoff halts cooking exactly at your target. Built-in signal booster keeps readings stable through foil and drippings. Beyond probes, the oven is a versatile 12-in-1 cooking system. Roast, bake, air fry, dehydrate, proof. Professional function simplified. 360-degree on turbo convection circulates heat fast for even crispy results. Dual elements and 2400 RPM fan cook up to 30% faster. Air fry with minimal oil for golden exterior, tender interior. Family size 27 QT fits a 12-inch pizza or 6-pound chicken. Magnetic probe dock stores and charges probe during oven standby. Super fast charging gives a full cook after approximately 3 minutes. A full charge supports multiple cooks for hands-off convenience. Control and monitor everything with the Tyfer app, remotely and simply. App offers presets, custom target temps, multi-stage cooking management. Access approximately 35 step-by-step app recipes and guided inspiration. I tested a 6-pound chicken, perfect juicy, exactly 165 degrees. Wings came out crisp in 20 minutes with minimal oil. Steak reached medium rare without guesswork, resting at precise temp. Probe stability remains solid even with foil-wrapped roasts. Cleanup is effortless. Dishwasher safe basket, rack, roasting pan, crumb tray. Safety note: allow 4-inch clearance for proper ventilation and airflow. When using roast pan at high temps, use heat-resistant silicone gloves. Why this matters: consistent doneness saves time, reduces food waste. For health-conscious families, less oil and precise temps improve meals. For tech-savvy cooks, app integration and accuracy elevate home cooking. For busy home cooks, set it and forget it confidently. Compare. Traditional ovens require monitoring. Tyfer automates precision. Specifications at a glance: 85 to 150 degree F range, 3 fan speeds, 12 modes. Included accessories: air fryer basket, wire rack, roasting pan, probe. Fits small kitchens, families, cafes, caterers wanting a compact solution. User testimonials praise precision, convenience, and reliable app control. Final verdict: Tyfer Sink Oven combines accuracy, speed, and versatility. If you value perfect results, this oven is a game changer. Learn more or buy now through the Tyfer app or website. Backed by smart tech and thoughtful design, invest confidently. If you are interested in purchasing it, click on the link in the description.